I'm dreaming of a lit Christmas. Just like the one I used to know. I'm dreaming of a lit Christmas with all the presents in white snow. Oh, hey, Merry Christmas! Hey. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another video for you guys. I'm trying to knock out a bunch of videos before I go back to school in like 2 or 3 weeks. I think it's like 2 weeks, not even 2, y'all. So I'm trying to knock out a bunch of videos for you guys because I'm going to be basically on another hiatus for another like 4 or 5 months because I'm in law school and I just really don't have time to sit here and do makeup and film. And if I do have time, I will like do a sporadic video. But I thank you guys for still like coming and enjoying and watching my videos even though I'm in and out. So yeah, I did this look and this is just a glamified bomb kaboom Christmas makeup look, okay you guys? So this is what you're gonna wear to the living room to open up your presents from Santa, okay? Yeah, but I did this look, you guys, and yeah, I used a minimum. I didn't use a lot of products at all. So I'll be good and list the products below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me, you guys. I love you. I miss YouTube. I miss helping you guys learn makeup. I miss entertaining y'all with my crazy ass. I just miss it. But I have to focus on school so I can get this done, so I could be a lot on ya and everything like that. But I thank you guys for watching, and remember to stay on Diva Status and stay blessed, you guys. Hi guys, so I already did one eye and I'm going to take this tapered blending brush and I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Afrique palette, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm taking this brown color Cameroon and I'm using that as my transition color. Oh, I also prime my eyes with concealer, and then I put a NYX Jumbo pencil on top, which I kind of wish I didn't do that because it made it way worse to blend out. I just like the concealer or just a real eyeshadow primer, but I was just trying to be, you know, extra. So next I'm taking the color Dakar, and it's an orange shade, and I'm also putting that in my transition area too, just to add a little more color. And then next, I'm going to take this blending brush from Japanese. It's fluffier, but it is a bit smaller than the last brush, and it's not as tapered and blown out. And it helps put the color exactly where you need it to go. And I'm using the color Bentu in the palette, you guys. Sorry, I pointed to it, didn't tell you what color it was. Okay, now I'm taking this really small brush. It's almost like a pencil brush, but it's still a blending brush. And I'm taking this black color in my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I don't know why it showed up purple. Yeah, I do. Because I didn't put as much on. It showed up kind of purple, and that Bentu color has some purple undertones in it. So I'm just putting that in my outer V and a little bit into my crease. Do not take it all the way over. And I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette again and taking this burnt red shade. Although it comes off pink on camera, it's red. And I'm just putting that on my lid space and just trying to blend as I go. Now I'm going back into my Afrique palette and I'm using the color Fifi. And this really made my eye look pink, but I just wanted some shimmer, y'all. It can't be a Christmas look without shimmer and glitter and something. So I also sprayed my brush too to get a little bit more shimmer. Alright you guys, now I am going to prime my skin. I'm using the Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer and the Maybelline Blur and Smooth Illuminating Primer. The same primers I always use, and I'm basically putting the Pore Illuminating Primer where my pores are the biggest, and then I'm putting the other primer everywhere else. You don't need a lot. I probably put too much. Alright, so now I'm just taking some concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just covering up all my little scars, imperfections, and things like that. I do recommend a concealer closer to your skin tone. This one's kind of light, but I'm going to cover it with foundation. You do not have to color correct. Like, color correcting is a waste of time unless you have serious like marks. This will do the job. So I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and I'm mixing that with my highlighter from Mikil Organics, which is my own brand. So if you would like to purchase those highlighters, they are on my website, DivastatusBeauty.com, for $9, and they're 20 milliliters. And you can use them under your foundation, with your foundation, or on top of your foundation, and they're all natural. Okay, so now I am taking my Lancome concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer and blending that in with my beauty blender, and I'm putting that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and a little bit on the chisels of my cheeks. You do not need a whole lot of concealer. This is literally all you need, and it blends out. So you don't want to put too much because you don't want your face to be cakey. And I do not know the full name of the Lancome concealer. I cannot pronounce that. I'm not French or wherever Lancome is from. I ain't got time. I'm from Kentucky. What he do, Tony? Sex and cigarettes? He done lost his damn mind, Tony. What's wrong with him? Girl, I know. Cover up the dirt. Okay, so before that foolery, I had showed y'all the crayon case honor roll highlighter, and I'm putting that on the tops of my cheeks. You guys, this highlighter is beautiful, but I'm probably gonna throw it in my kit because I'm way too light to use this highlighter, and it ends up looking weird on me. So I'm gonna dig through this big baggie of NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks and pick this brownish shade. I'll link it below. I don't have it sitting with me per usual, but I'm just gonna kind of use that to line my lips. And then I'm gonna take another NYX Liquid Suede color. I don't know the name of this one either, you guys. I will put it on the screen or link it below. And then I'm going to take this cheap Wet n Wild lip gloss. It's literally like a gold tinted lip gloss. It's like $2, you guys. Just find you a gold tinted lip gloss. It's from Wet n Wild though. And I'm putting that on top. And of course I'm taking my NYC liquid liner. It's almost gone, you guys. This is my last one and it's discontinued. And I'm so upset about it. And sorry if the camera got blurry. When I move closer to the camera, it does not automatically go into frame, so it got blurry. But I'm just lining both my eyes in a wing. If you guys want a wing tutorial, thumbs up this video. But I'm just gonna tell you that it takes practice. Some days my wings is flying high, and some days my birds are dropping from the sky. So it just depends. It just takes practice, you guys. But if you want a tutorial, definitely thumbs up this video and request it down in the comments, and I got you. And now I'm just taking that color that I used earlier in my inner crease. What color was that, you guys? It was Bentu. I'm taking that and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. And I think I even put a little bit of that black color from the Morphe palette as well. And now I added lashes. These are the IMB lashes in the style Iconic. And I'm spraying my face with my Francis J Beauty Illuminating Setting Spray, y'all. It's just bomb. Go purchase it. It's bomb. and it's in the color Diamond Girl. And that is the finished look, you guys. So yeah, you can go and slay in the living room during Christmas. And I also forgot to tell y'all, I do got on clothes. I didn't get on here bucket naked and do a tutorial. I didn't do it. I have on clothes. You just can't see them because it's strapless. But that is the finished look. I am just, that look is bomb slaying, okay? You gonna stun all your aunties and uncles and grandchildren and whoever you got in your living room. Everybody gonna be mad because they face ain't beat like yours. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this look. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. And I thank you guys for watching. Remember to stay on that diva status, okay?